Hi loves, it's Tiffany or Texture Love, and I am back with another video for you guys. First things first, go ahead and subscribe to my channel, join the Texture Love crew, click the notification bell so you know when I upload, and go ahead and follow me on Instagram at TextureLove16. Today I am showing you how I use a shampoo bar. That's right, a shampoo bar. I am using the shampoo bar from OBIA Naturals. It is the Neem and Tea Tree Shampoo Bar, and I love it so much. It is great for fighting dandruff, itchy scalp, and dry scalp. And I just love the lather. Look at the lather that I'm able to get with this bar. A shampoo bar is just like regular shampoo, but instead of it being liquid, it is in a bar form. It is very easy to apply to the hair as I'm doing right now. It's very easy to cleanse your scalp. These particular bars from OBIA Naturals have great lather and great slip, so my hair does not get tangled. I just love this shampoo bar, especially because I travel a lot. It is very easy to take a shampoo bar with you when you travel. So when I use my shampoo bars, I rub it in my hands while my hands are damp to generate lather, and then section by section, I will take my hands with the lather and just scrub my scalp gently with the pads of my fingers, and then run my hands down the length of my hair to generate the lather and to keep my hair from getting tangled. Again, I am using the OBIA Naturals Neem and Tea Tree Shampoo Bar. There is my code in case you want to purchase it on the website, getting a discount. So as you see here, I take the bar in my hands while my hands are wet and my hair is wet, and I just rub the bar along the length of my hair and against my scalp. This helps to generate lather. When I rub the bar along the length of my hair, I get lather, but I also keep my hair detangled. I do this section by section. So you see me just running the bar down the length of my hair. This gets the soap on my hair, but it also helps to keep my hair detangled. Luckily, these bars from OBIA Naturals have a lot of slip, so that does help. Once I finish, again, I'm just going to rub it against my temples and my scalp to get the lather there, and then I will just run my hands down the length of each section. You can see I get excellent lather. I love lather with my shampoo. It just makes me feel like my hair is being cleansed. This particular shampoo with the neem oil and the tea tree oil, these are two excellent ingredients that help fight fungal and bacterial growth. If you have issues with dandruff, flaky scalp, itchy scalp, this is excellent. I like to use this bar to just really give me a nice deep cleanse without stripping, and look at my results. My curls are popping, my hair is extremely clean. Look at how my hair looks, and it doesn't feel stripped at all. So you guys, thank you so much for watching this video. Check the description box. All of the information will be in there. Thank you guys so much for watching. Don't forget to like, comment, and subscribe.